Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash stuffing for the week. I have $5.16 that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes this week. But before I get to the cash stuffing part, I need to take money out of my wallet, the leftover money that I didn't spend this week. So I have actually a good amount in here. So spending, I have $27 left over, and this is just going to go into some savings challenges later at the end, towards the end of this video. So I'm going to put this aside. Eating out, I have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11 left over. This is also going to go into savings. Groceries, I have $10. This is going to go into my Costco envelope. I'm actually going to Costco, I think, today. So this will go just to bump up my Costco amount a little bit more. Coffee, I did spend everything in coffee. And then buffer, I have $5, $6, $7, $8 left. So that's going to go into savings as well. Okay, so that is my wallet all nice and empty. Now I'm just gonna fill this back up. So spending is going to get $30. And I try my best to, like, except for coffee, but I try my best to not spend everything in every single one, every envelope, so that way I have money left over to roll over into my savings challenges. It's like a nice little, you know, challenge for myself to do. Eating out is going to get $30 this week. Groceries is getting $80, so $50, $70, $80. Coffee is getting $20 this week. And then buffer is getting 10. So that's a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I just dropped all my money. That's fun. Let me pick it all up. Okay, so that is my wallet. That has a total of $170 in here for me to spend for the week. All right, now into my binders. The black binder first. So auto repair this week, I actually took everything out of auto repair. I had to get a bunch of maintenance done on my car. And so I was able to use all the money in there plus some from emergency to pay for that. So auto repair has 0 right now, but I'm filling it back up. So this one's getting 15 this week. Oh, that's all I have. So I don't have anything to count, 15. And then over here, I'm just gonna write 15. Christmas is getting 10 this week. I just took 500 of this back to the bank. I have a 500 placeholder. So in cash, I have 20, 30, 45. So 545 in Christmas, which is really like right around the corner, which is super exciting. Love Christmas. 545. And then electronics. This is another one that I took back to the bank. All of it just depleted it all, is getting 10. And that's all electronics has. Emergency is getting 25. So in emergency, I have a couple of placeholders. I have 1,500 in the bank. And now in cash, I have 100, 150, 170, 195, 200, 1, 2, 3. So I have 1703. Yes, 1703. That's correct. Okay. 1703. Extra debt has nothing in it because I took this back to the bank as well. So this week it's getting $25. And that's all extra debt has, because I always start this one over at the beginning of the month, and this is actually my first cash stuffing of the month. Furniture is getting $5. So now furniture has 50, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3. So $73. I have a couple of things in mind to purchase with that money soon. Rainy day is getting $10. So now Rainy Day has 50, 60, 70. $70. Registration's fully funded. Road trip is getting $10. So now road trip has 20, 30, 40, 5. Going out of town this weekend, so definitely be pulling from this one. 45. Scentsy is getting $5. So now Scentsy has 50, 70, 95, 1. I'm sorry, 96. I counted that wrong. $96. Subscriptions is getting 5. So now subscriptions has 100, 5, 110. $110, and then Treat Yourself is getting 25. So I have 500 in the bank, and now Treat Yourself has, in cash, 1, 200, 250, 270, 290, 300, 305, 306 in cash, plus 500 is 806 total. 806, yes, 806. All right, so that is the black binder. Now I'm gonna go into the white binder next. All right, so Beauty is getting 5 this week. So Beauty has 25, 26 left. 26. Clothing is getting $10 this week. So now clothing has 50, 70, 80, $90. 90. Content is getting $5. So now content has 20, 40, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $64 in content. 64. Costco is getting 5 from this money, but then also getting the 10. So it's actually getting 15 this week. I need to update my tracker. Okay, so total for Costco is 20, 30, 45. $45. So I'm gonna add 10, 45 for Costco. And then 45 over here. Next up is Disney. This one's getting $40. I'm actually going to Disney the upcoming weekend. So that's why I wanted to put a little bit more in here, because I felt like I didn't have enough for a Disney trip. And we're gonna spend a good amount of time there. So definitely need money for food. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, which that's enough money for me for like food and buy a couple of things. So yeah, that should be a good amount. So $90 in Disney. Family is getting 10 this week. So now Family has 20, 30, 40. Fun is getting 5. So Fun has 10, 15, 20. 20. Gifts is getting 30. My nephew's birthday is coming up, so I need to start buying his gifts. So 20, 40, 60, 70 in gifts. But I still have a couple of weeks, so I will be adding more to that in the next couple of cash stuffings. Hobbies is getting 5. So now Hobbies has 20, 30, 5. 35. Home decor is getting, oh, holiday decor is done. Home decor is getting 5. So that's 25, 26, 27. Jeez, I keep pushing my money. $27. My sleeve keeps catching it. Okay, 27. Household is getting 5. So household has 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. $29, and Target is getting 5. So Target has 25, 6, 7, 27. And Target 27. All right, so that is the white binder. Next up is the last binder. Well, actually I have another binder, technically. All right, so this is Go Wild. This one is getting 10 this week. I have a placeholder already, so I have 500 already in the bank. And then in cash, I have 1, 2, 300, 310, 320, 25. So 325 plus 500 is 825. Yeah, 825. Great. 825. All right, now I'm moving into my savings challenges. I'm gonna do the power up first. So I need to do 9 in here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I started this one over for the month too. So this one is going in here. So that's $9. Get rid of this. Next is, I'm just gonna check these off because I don't really write the totals down here. I like to figure that out at the end. But yeah, let me see. I think I want to do, okay, I'm gonna go into the 100 envelope challenge because I can actually add a little bit more. I plan to do $5, but I can definitely add more than 5. So this is the 5 I'm supposed to add in. But like I said, I can do more because I have all of this money here. I have a 20 actually. So maybe I could do a 20 with this one. But yeah, maybe I could do a 20. I'm gonna actually put all these bills together since this is all just going into savings. 5 ones. Okay, so let's see what I have. I have like 25. Actually, I don't have 25. Okay, but maybe I have something else. Go this way. I have 27. I could do 27 or 28 or 29. Maybe I'll do 29 because that one is a good amount. Okay, so I have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm doing 29 instead of 5. So see, I was able to I planned for a low amount, but then because I used my extra, all that savings or the money I didn't spend this week, I was able to bump this up quite a bit. So happy with that. And I'm trying to be better about documenting this. So instead of 5, I'm just gonna cross this out. I actually did 29. Okay, so that way I have it on paper what I did here, because I always forget to do that, and then I forget what I did. Okay, so back to the pink binder. All of this is just gonna go into the 10, 5. Oh, I also have I'm gonna do the 52 circles too. This is a new challenge that I got from, oh, not that one, the Millenial dollar. So I was gonna do 4, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. But I could do, I'll take a 5 and I'll do 9. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this challenge, just bump it up a little bit. Sounds good to me. I'm gonna get a marker. So I'm doing 9 now. And that's the 9. I'm just gonna add it here. My little clip fell. Okay. So that one is done. And let me cross this one off here. Oh, and actually let me update this number too. So I did 9. Okay, so that one's done, that one's done. All right, cool. Next, I'm gonna do these are new challenges that I'm starting this week, so that's exciting. Oh, I need markers. I don't have the right markers. Unless I do a blue hat. Let me find my markers, because now I don't know where they are. so I have to find them. But I got these wet erase markers because they just, they wipe off easily off of the matte laminate. So, or if the, yeah, the laminated matte sheet. So I'm gonna try to find my other markers, see what colors I have. So the only bad part about these markers is they don't come in the best colors, which is a bummer. They're just very like primary kind of colors, and there's no pink, which is also a bummer, but they work well on them, so I'm gonna go with them. So I have all of these colors. I think I'm just gonna do, I'll do orange. We'll see how orange looks. I think it'll be fine. It's kind of close to pink. And I'm just gonna color in the cute little hat. This is a new challenge. I plan on selling these once I make them. But my sister drew the little pig, and it's got like a little sun hat. I'm gonna have her probably remove the flower though, because it got really, really small when I, you know, made it decrease the size, and I just feel like maybe the flower needs to go away. We'll see. All right, so I'm putting in 10, 20. This is all I had. I forgot the 10 that I had extra for my wallet was going into Costco. Because I knew I had an extra 10, but that went into Costco, so that's why I don't see it here. But I have 20, which is what I planned on putting in here. So I'm just going to color in the hat very nicely. I'm just coloring the hats in. It's cute. Sorry, I'm going to spend my time to color this in nicely. But there's only 2, so it doesn't take too long. How cute is that? Okay, the orange is cute, actually. Actually, when they dry a little lighter, which is nice. So yeah, came out cute. All right, so those are the little pig August trackers, and I'm putting 20 in there, and that one is all done. Perfect. So let me cross off. This one is 20. That one's correct. $5 August one is next. This one, my friend Plan with Ilysse created this one, and it's on her Etsy shop, and I always have it linked. So I originally planned to do 15, 5, 10, 15, but I had an extra $10 from my wallet. So now I'm doing 20, 25 instead. So I get to color in 5 little beach balls. So let me get my pen that I chose for this one, which I believe is this blue one. All right, so I'm just gonna color in this 5 part here, and then this little part and this little part, and then that will be how I'm coloring in these beach balls. I like these pens because they're glittery. I don't know if you probably can't tell on camera, but they got glitter in them, and they're cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. So let's see if you can see the glitter. I don't know if you can, but there's glitter in there. Okay, so that's 25. So I'm gonna cross this off and put 25. Perfect. Trying to keep that all tracked correctly. All right, and then the last part is $1 challenge, which I'm just throwing all these ones into this lovely envelope that says 1 on it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I didn't see any star notes, so I won't be filling that one in, but I do have 15. So I'm just gonna put 15 here, and that's going in here. Okay, so that is, oh, hold on, before I end this video. That is the end of this video. That's my cash stuffing for the week. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the end, I really, really appreciate you doing that, because that really helps out this video to get seen more, and it really helps out for my next cash stuffing when it comes to my YouTube paycheck. So thank you, thank you, thank you for all your support here on my channel. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can check out all my other videos when they come out. I do put out videos every single day, so there's something to watch here on my channel. But yeah, thank you so much. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.